really want to do a little raccoon tail. It's also like midnight and I was bored and just decided to do this. But I feel like a black and pink raccoon tail will look so cute on this side. I want to do small ones. I think I want it to look like a little like feather extension. I'm going to be using the Pallure Jet Black color mask. This is just a color pigment. Ooh, I almost just dropped that. Okay, I think we're just gonna go for it. I really can't get this on my sweatshirt because I will literally cry. Look at how little. I'm like holding like 3 hairs. Okay. Why do I love this? Why do I want 85 of them in my hair? This looks insane. Eee! We're washing everything out. I just got dye all over my sweatshirt. I'm so pissed. See how quick I can dry this. Literally. Oh my god. I'm so happy I did this. This is like the greatest thing ever. This is the final look. So cute.